Phuket TV.
Supporting by
Lanlom Resort, your home away from home by the Andaman Sea.
Complete your visit to Phuket. Why not enjoy a night's entertainment at Taipan, Patong Phuket, the entertainment complex.
Phuket Thai Cookery School, the original and best cooking school in Phuket. Grand opening of the new look Lanlom Bar Circle at Central Festival Phuket. Central Festival Phuket has invested over 100 million baht to improve the Lanlom Bar Circle area. The new look and concept is aimed to serve local and tourist customers and make it much needed meeting point for Thai people wanting to live an international lifestyle. It will make these 10 luxury international bar and restaurant area the best of in South Thailand. The restaurants will have some of the world's top chefs coming from both Thailand and overseas. On the opening day of Pimento Bar and Restaurant, we will also be happy to see the opening of the new branch of Pimento Bar Restaurant within the Lanlom area. This top-class Mediterranean bar and restaurant decorated in Mediterranean style with comfortable seating, activities and mini fashion show from Rococo. On the grand opening night of the Lanlom Bar Circle, we will be hosting a showcase of glamour and modern fashion with the fashion show from Rococo with international models and Phuket celebrities showing off designs, which we are sure we will make Lanlom's new stylish fabric roof sparkle.